Hey guys, it's John with Cheapo Cars and Audio. There's no getting around it. I got to clean my garage. So that's what today's video is going to be. Some talking to the camera a little bit, and then time lapse with some music and stuff. Garage has got to get cleaned. It's a nice day. It's not too hot, so let's get it done. Hey, just want to cut in real quick here. I'm going to read to you 2 Corinthians 1, 8, and 9, and then we'll get back to the video. We do not want you to be uninformed, brothers, about the hardships we suffered in the province of Asia. We were under great pressure, far beyond our ability to endure, so that we despaired even of life. Indeed, in our hearts we felt the sentence of death, but this happened that we might not rely on ourselves, but on God, who raises the dead. Guys, you get down, you get bad, even if you're in a good spot. Fall back on the Lord, always. You can do a lot of things by yourself, but I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Fall back on the Lord in all things, always. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so I got all this sorted. We'll roll over here and check it out. So we got our wash soaps. There's our interior stuff right over here. Over here we got spray waxes and quick detailers and that type of thing. Here I have, oh, there's glass cleaner. Glass cleaner's supposed to go up here. I had one out of place. Anyway, I wasn't ready for this yet. I thought I had everything situated. I moved some stuff at the last second. Okay, anyway, here's our waxes, right? And there's a bunch of different brands. Really, my favorite brand is Poor Boys. I just need to buy more because you can use it in the sun, which is great because I don't have shade here. And so even on like a hot car, you can, you know, put the sealers on and make something happen. Okay, let's move on here. So waxes, quick detailers. Up there is tire stuff, and then there's my two chamois, which actually need to go down here with the wash stuff. I knew something didn't make sense there. Okay, and then some polishes, different various polishes. It's just leftover stuff, and then glass cleaners. So I used to do detailing. Sit back on my stool here. I used to do detailing. I had a little business, and I was fairly successful at it. There's just not a lot of nice cars around here, so I got a lot of people coming to me that were wanting cars, wanting their grandma's car clean that had been sitting under a tree covered in mold for like 6 years. And there wasn't enough money in it, because you tell people what something like that should really cost and they just don't use you. They're looking for, you know, knock it all off with a pressure washer, throw some wax at it and call it good. Like, you know, I have a standard I want to do work to, and that ain't it. So anyway, there's still a few things over here. The covers for the Escalade engine, and then a bag of little stuff, and then my CB. But we're 99% there, and my kid's sick, so I'm gonna go inside and just be with him, and yeah, start editing this thing together for you guys. So thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you for helping me clean my garage, because guess what? I probably wouldn't have done it today if I didn't think, you know what, this would be a good video. And so that means without you guys, I wouldn't clean my garage. Thank you for the help. I can be a little lazy sometimes, as you can tell by my physique. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching. We're 370 something, I don't know, 357 subscribers, something like that. It's crazy. The mind has been blown. See you next time, guys.